Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Hemingway Editor workflow to tighten writing quickly, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type Hemingway Editor and hit enter. Locate the official Hemingway Editor website from the search results. Once on the website, find the download section. Click on the download option that corresponds to your operating system. For Windows users, click the download button for the Windows version. For Mac users, select the download option for Mac OS. The download should begin automatically. Once the file has downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the Hemingway Editor installation file. Double-click the installation file to start the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, locate the Hemingway Editor application in your Applications folder or Start menu. Open the Hemingway Editor application. Familiarize yourself with the interface. You will see a blank writing space for your text. To use the tool, copy your text from your original document. Paste your text into the Hemingway Editor. Observe the color-coded highlights that indicate different writing issues. Red highlights show sentences that are hard to read. Yellow highlights suggest sentences that are lengthy or complex. Use the information provided to revise your sentences for clarity. The sidebar provides a readability score and word count. It also shows the number of adverbs and passive voice instances. Take advantage of these insights to streamline your writing. Continue revising until you achieve a tighter, more impactful piece. After finalizing your edits, you can copy the improved text. Paste it back into your original document. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.